necessary funds will be given to improve and to renovate this place of worship. At the same time, the Honorable MLA has also informed me that there has to be some investment in the infrastructure in this area also, including a tourism project that was done many years back but is lying unutilized. I want to assure him and the people of this area that all the necessary funds and projects that need to be taken up, either through the central scheme of Swadesh Darshan or through the state scheme, the support of the government will be there in order to renovate and improve the overall infrastructure, not just in this place, but in all the other places where such kind of infrastructure is required to ensure that such kind of celebration continues. Future for our youth. Once again, wishing, congratulating and thanking the Raij Mukhla and the entire organizing committee, and most importantly our local MLA Mawailat Mikishila for having invited me here to this very beautiful celebration of our identity, of our culture and of our
sponsoring this pandal, and along with that, as always, there is a financial support.